How to use Cash App on Uber Eats. Looking for a way to use Cash App with Uber Eats? In this video, I'll show you the updated method for adding Cash App as a payment option. First, open the Uber Eats app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, select Wallet. Here, you'll see all of the payment methods currently connected to your Uber Eats account. To add Cash App, tap on Add Payment Method. Depending on your account, you may see an option for Cash App Pay or credit or debit card. If you choose credit or debit card, you can enter the details of your Cash App card just like you would with any other debit card. Alternatively, if Cash App Pay is available, select it and follow the prompts to link your Cash App account. Once it's connected, you can use your available Cash App balance to pay for your Uber Eats orders. And that's it. You've successfully set up Cash App as a payment method on Uber Eats. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.